Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss the poem Wind. This poem has been written by Subramania Bharati. (1882 to 1921) is a great Tamil poet, famous for his patriotism in the pre-independence era. The poem of Subramania Bharati was translated by A.K. Ramanujan, who is a Kannada and English poet, well known for his translation of classical and modern poetry. Dear children, this poem has been written in two parts. It is written clearly in the blue box. The wind blows strongly and causes a lot of destruction. Part 1. And second part is how can we make friends with it? Wind. It means wind. The poet says, wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. Tore is tear, tore, torn. You know. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun. Means laughing at. Weaklings means weeks. Frail crumbling means weak. Crumbling is decaying. Houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafters. Rafters are beams of the houses. They are sloping beams supporting a roof. Crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. This is first part. In this part, we can see how wind causes a lot of destruction. Poet requests the poet not to break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. There, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. Poet says, the wind, that you are very clever at poking fun at weaklings means laughing at weak, decaying houses, crumbling houses, crumbling doors. Crumbling means decaying houses, decaying doors, decaying rafters or beams of the houses to support the roof, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. In the second part, the poet suggests that how can we make friends with the wind? Poet says, the wind god winnows and crushes them all. You know the process of winnowing in your science books. This is a way to separate grain from husk by blowing on it. So, really, this good work is done by the wind. So, poet says, the wind god winnows and crushes them all. He would not do what you tell him. Means, wind is not your servant, that he will do what you tell him. So come, let us build strong homes. Poet suggests people, let us build strong homes. Let us joint the doors firmly. If your houses are strong, if you joint the doors firmly, then wind will not cause any destruction to your home, to your doors. Practice to firm the body. He suggests to practice to form the body, make the hearts steadfast. He tells, make the heart firm. Do this, and the wind will be friends with us. If you do such practices, then wind will be your friend. The wind blows out weak fires, you know. The wind blows out weak fires. He makes strong fires roar and flourish. So, his friendship is good. We praise him every day. Poet tells about the friendship with wind, that friendship is good. That is why we praise the wind every day. So read again and again this poem. It is very clear to you that poem has been divided in two parts. The poet has described the destruction of the wind in first part, and he suggests his readers how can they make friends with the wind in second part. Thank you.